Hi, I'm Jeff Moisen with Keller Williams Home Group Realty. Today I'll be providing you with the Guelph and Tri-City housing market stats for January of 2026, with the main focus being on what's happening right here in Guelph. But first, let's take a look at some of the key metrics for all of our local markets relative to January of last year. In Guelph, the median sales price was $724,000, which was down by 8%. The median days to sell was 33 days, which is up by 6.5%. The total number of listings was 249, up by 6%, but the total number of sales was 73, down by 26.3%. For the Tri-Cities, in Kitchener, the median sale price was $669,000, down by 4.4%. In Waterloo, it was $660,000, down by 7.7%. And in Cambridge, it was $640,000, down by 8.2%. The full local market stats report and analysis can be viewed by clicking in the link down in the description below. January 2026 opened with a noticeably more cautious tone compared to last year. While the median sale price declined 8% year over year, this reflects a notable shift in supply and demand. Buyers are active, but they're much more deliberate in this market, taking much more time to make decisions. This is reflected in the increased median days on market, which is now at 33 days. Sales volume tells the clearer story. With homes sold down 26.3% year over year, activity slowed meaningfully to start the year, even as new listings rose slightly. That combination signals a market where buyers have more options and are exercising patience. Many listed homes that are priced correctly and well prepared are still transacting, but the buyer urgency we saw in prior years has definitely softened. The market is functioning, just at a more measured pace. Negotiation has returned, conditional offers with sale of property conditions are common, and pricing strategy matters more than ever. The path to success has also changed. In recent times of hot markets, it was more common for those who are making a move to buy first, knowing that their home will sell in a predictable manner. Now that there's a healthy supply of housing inventory and selling is somewhat less predictable, many are having success selling first and then purchasing. Of course, there's pros and cons to doing it either way, but if done properly, there's a way of doing it that protects you. If you're thinking about making a move this year, I could certainly help you out. Please feel free to reach out to me and we can work out a strategy that works best for you. Thanks a lot for joining me and have a great day.